Pro Exterior Services here with another one. Anyway, this is just a little bit of a vendor rant. Having issues. So if you remember, I just built the air system and I put this clear block on here, this manifold. And my original concern with this manifold was just this. I don't know if you can see that crack here. It started way here. It started right here. You see where it kind of spreads out? It started right here, nowhere near to the threads. In fact, it looks like there's maybe a crack here. I'm not sure. Anyway, nowhere near the threads. And I had a discussion with the vendor I purchased. I'm not going to throw anybody under the bus. That's not who I'm about. But we had a discussion about using True Blue. And the conversation kind of went like, well, we have some customers that you try to use True Blue and it had leaks. And I'm like, well, okay. I'm pretty hands-on, mechanically. Let me try True Blue. If it doesn't work, I'll go to the recommended marine grade or marine 4200, which I got a boat. I know what 4200 is. That to me would be worse than this, not from a sealing perspective, but maybe an expansion. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. So I reached out to him. I said, look, I'm not looking for nothing, no handouts, because I'm not that guy. But I got a crack. I don't know if it's maybe a manufacturing issue, etc. Came back and was like, well, I told you to use 4200. Yeah, but you told me that because of the leaks, not because it may crack. So, and I got a few friends in the industry with this exact block using True Blue and haven't had a problem. So we here now. It's 2 weeks old, or 3 weeks old, not 4 weeks maybe, I don't remember, but it's cracked all the way through now. It started here, went up, went over, started coming down, and just recently it went all the way through. So it's not even usable in my system. So with that said, that was my concern from the get-go. So with that said, is what I decided to do. I'm sure you guys get tons of this pop up on Facebook, people blasting out. Here's another vendor rant. If you go posting something on the internet that you got something for sale, if I order it in the morning, I expect a ship that day. Worst case, the following day. If you can't deliver those two things, shut your doors. Shut them. I don't order parts just to have an inventory to resell. I order parts because I'm a hands-on dude. We out there getting money, chasing cheese, and we depend on this equipment. Anyway, back on track. So I ended up getting another blend manifold. Just got it in today. So that's what I'm doing now. Thank gosh, because it's been raining off and on today. So this is a 4-port. I ordered a 3-port. They didn't have one. They sent me the 4-port. They plugged it for me. Appreciate that. So it is a little bit bigger. Let's go see. And this is poly. I wasn't going back with the acrylic. I was not going back with the acrylic. I don't know what people are doing. I don't know. Maybe I did over tighten my fittings. I don't know. But I thought if I would have over tightened my fittings, it would have cracked at the fitting. These cracks, I'll post a picture right about now of the original crack when I noticed it. So there you go. So here's the other block. So as you can tell, it's a much bigger block. But the thing I do like about this block, if you notice, these 1-inch manifold drill outs are close to one edge, so it gives the back enough room for these metering valves to breathe. So yeah, we can make that work. That's what we do. All pro. So I'm gonna get to working on this. I'm probably not gonna film me doing all this with the True Blue, etc., etc. In fact, I'm gonna take that off, take the tape off, put the True Blue on it. And I'm going to cut this right here, and I'm going to cut this right here, take that sticker off, put it here, take that sticker off, put it here, because my SH is here, and my water's here. So I'll show some footage of the final product when I get it up and running. But more so, I just had a little bit of a rant. It just really aggravates me, because I'm the type of dude, look, if I go to a customer's house, we take care of their house, we wash the house, they call me back, there's a concern, or even if it wasn't even part of the original deal, and oh, my window's a little this, or this little spot here, and we've done that multiple times. I go back and I take care of it, because you know why? I want that customer to come back continuously. That's my goal. And not only that, I want that customer to refer me to everybody in the block in their neighborhood. You follow me? So I'm not gonna blast this company who I bought it from. That's not who I am. I'm gonna let them, let them do that to themselves. I bought it from another company thinking I was gonna get it in a day or two from a state over, and that didn't happen. That took a week and a half to get it. But I'm really aggravated with that. It rubs me the wrong way. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm old school. I don't know. Anyway, I'll get it changed up. I'll be back in business. Trust that. And we'll go out and make that money. This block ain't nothing but a little obstacle that we get thrown at us to get our test. And but we're blessed, man. We'll get over this. It's all good. Anyway, again, if any vendors are listening to this video and you posting stuff for sale, do yourself a favor, ship it out the same day or the next day, and at least communicate with your customers. If you don't have it in stock, shoot them a message. Don't wait for me to call you and ask you if my order's been shipped. Oh, it hasn't been shipped because of this. No excuses. Don't post your stuff for sale if you can't make that happen. That's all I'm saying. Just be 100. All right. Peace.